All right, we're going to use our half-life equation that the amount at some time t is going to be equal to the initial amount times 1/2 raised to the n power, where n is the number of half-lives. We're given directly the amount we have at time equals 0, that's 15 grams. Now we need to calculate n, the number of half-lives. We've calculated the number of half-lives as the entire length of time divided by the time per half-life. And note that we don't need to have an integral number of half-lives for this equation to work. So a of t is equal to a0 times 1/2 raised to the power n, our number of half-lives. Some calculator skills. We'll first get in 15 grams, and then we're going to multiply that times 1/2 raised to this power. So we can put in 0.5, and then we're going to raise it to the 7.06 power. Note that this is an open parentheses, this is a closed parentheses.